Warning: read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating maintenance or safety instructions could result in serious injuries. First, you will have to switch off the machine because we are going to do a resistance measurement. For this kind of measurement, the voltage should always be switched off. Please note that you don't remove any boards or PICAN devices. Next, we are going to open the back of the electrical cabinet. Lock the door with the foreseen attachment for your own comfort. Now connect the cables to your measuring device. Connect the red cable with the plug-in, where you find a symbol for the electrical resistance, ohm. The black cable you can connect to the COM connection. Turn the multimeter to the resistance measurement mode. Make sure your ohm meter still works by holding the two probes together. If you see the display change from OL to a low resistance value, you know the multimeter is still working and your connection probes are also okay. Please note that the OL abbreviation on your display has the meaning open loop and not 0 ohm. If you have a self-adjusting meter, you are ready to go. If this would not be the case, you will have to switch between setting values. PICAN would strongly advise to read the electrical manual fully before opening the electrical cabinet. More info about the bus systems can also be found here. Locate the XWCB MPP1 connector in the cabinet. Measure the resistance between the points 30Z and 32Z. Here you should measure a value around 60 ohms. Also, between the points 30B and 32B you should measure this value. Next, we are going to measure 4 points that always have to be 70 kilo ohms or higher. If you don't have a self-adjusting multimeter, it is possible that you will have to change the reading value to get an accurate reading. First, measure the resistance between the points 30D and 32B. Next, between the points 30D and 30B. Also between the points 30D and 30Z. And finally between the points 30D and 32Z. As mentioned before, these 4 measurements have to have a minimum value of 70 kilo ohm. If these values are correct, you know that there are no problems with the PICAN bus and you can continue by closing the door again. Remove the attachment for blocking the door and place it back in his correct place in the cabinet. Check if there are no tools anymore in the cabinet before closing. Close the door. Now you can remove the padlock again and switch on the machine. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.